In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract text from PowerPoint to Word. If you've ever needed a clean, editable version of your slide titles, bullet points, or speaker notes in Microsoft Word, this method will save you time and keep everything organized. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint and loading the presentation you want to pull text from. Make sure the file you open is the one you're ready to export, since the process uses the active presentation. Head up to the top left corner and click File to open the main menu. From the sidebar, choose Export. If you're using an older version of PowerPoint, you might see Save and Send instead. That's the same place you want. Select Create Handouts, then click the Create Handouts button on the right. This tells PowerPoint you want to send your slide content directly into a Word document with your chosen layout. A dialog box labeled Send to Microsoft Word will appear with formatting options. Choose Outline only if you want just the text that appears on your slides, titles and bullet points, without images or slide thumbnails. This is great for drafting, studying, or building a script. Choose Notes below slides if you rely on speaker notes and need that extra context under each slide. This option keeps your talking points attached to the relevant slide content in Word. Next, decide how you want the content passed into Word. Pick Paste to create a separate independent Word document. This is the recommended choice if you want to edit freely without worrying about the original PowerPoint. If you choose Paste Link, Word stays connected to your PowerPoint. When slides change, the Word file can update automatically. That's useful for ongoing projects, but remember that linked files depend on both documents staying accessible, and very large decks may slow things down. Click OK to start the export. PowerPoint will generate the Word document for you. Give it a moment and Word should open automatically with your content laid out based on the options you selected. Review your new Word document. You'll see your text neatly organized, ready for editing and formatting. Adjust headings, tweak bullet points, apply styles, or add comments as needed. When you're done, don't forget to save the Word file to your preferred location. Quick recap: File, Export, Create Handouts, choose Outline Only or Notes below slides, select Paste or Paste Link, and click OK. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.